Hey there, it's Diana. For today's video, I am going to be applying this Carrie Fairy Chrome by Nail Stamping Queen, and I'm going to use my 𝒟𝓾𝓬 Delicate Gel, which is a 2-in-1 base and top coat, as the base for my chroming. What I have currently on my nails is Acrygel from 𝒟𝓾𝓬. I'm going to just chrome it and use that as my base color, so when I do dip and I pop off the color, I still have a gorgeous chrome nails underneath. Not to say Acrygel is not beautiful, I really like it a lot, but I thought that even more I can just chrome it, and when I don't have time to dip, my nails look very well and put together. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Now this chrome has a little pink undertone to it, which I thought was really pretty, and I'll bring out the additional pink in the Acrygel. Then I'm going to be applying it using my eyeshadow applicator. So taking the 𝒟𝓾𝓬 base coat, top coat, you're going to flash cure it to give it that sticky base. So you'll want a nice thin, even application. I have a 60-watt lamp, and my flash cure time is actually between 12 to 15 seconds, so no more than that. That was 12 seconds. You don't need a lot for chrome. So remember, when you're doing a flash cure, your gel underneath is still wet. You're going to have a slightly cured nail. The top coat will create a sticky base for you to apply product on top of it, chroming or foils or whatever you want to do. I made that mistake a few times where I flash cured it and it was cured at the top, but the bottom is still wet, and I buffed in too much and it kind of moved my gel around. I thought I'd do something a little fun here. So I have a total of 3 different fairy chromes from Nail Stamping Queen. Carrie, which I just used, it has a pink undertone to it. Lucy, I want to say this one has like a green shift to it. And then Nikki, this one, maybe that's green, that one's purple, I don't know. But I thought I would just alternate nails. Maybe I can just get 2 done at the same time. Let's see. Usually the heat from the lamp helps with the chroming. It's just gonna work, but don't know unless you try it, huh? All right, so again, flash cure 12 seconds, and I'm gonna be back and buff in the chrome on both the nails as quickly as I can. Okay, the green one. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, let me quickly do the next color. It has like a little blue shift to it. That is very pretty. I have this soft duster brush from Magpie. I take it and kind of brush off the chrome off my hands here. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, I noticed that the top coat probably moved when I was buffing the color into my nail, so I'm going to do 2 coats in total, and I'll do 1 nail at a time, I think. Can't move fast enough to get both of the fingers done. Going in with the pink one, and then the green one. Okay, now taking the green one, it has like a green and yellow shift to it. So I'm going to do it 1 more time on each finger. All right, we're just going to give it a final coat of top coat and cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and we are all done. While I'm waiting for my nails to finish curing in the lamp, someone once asked me, if you're allergic to gel, how are you able to use gels? My response to her was, the only gel that I can use is 𝒟𝓾𝓬's Delicate Gel, this 2-in-1 base and top coat. If you looked at my other videos, when I need to use a gel, I'm always pulling out the 𝒟𝓾𝓬. So this is the only one that does not give me a reaction, and I'm happy that I found this because this is my go-to. And then more recently, I was able to find a builder gel from 𝒟𝓾𝓬 that I don't react to either, so I'm really excited about that. But I do try to limit my usage of gels in general because I don't want to overdo it and possibly build up a reaction to even this delicate gel, because then I'd be SOL. I don't know what else to do. I'm gonna finish off with some cuticle oil by Candy Skincare. This one is called Quiet Night, and it kind of smells like man. It smells like my husband. If you like that, you could have just swooped this one up. All right, this is it. I'm all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick tutorial. If you liked it, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and I will catch you on my next video. Take care. Bye.